So I got my bike here, and I had these fenders that I had off of Amazon that I was using as a rear fender for this here. I had one slid on and attached with wire ties, and then I had another one, so this kind of slid over to give me a little extra longer extension. It was like this. As you probably saw in some of my pictures and such, it didn't look too bad, but I kind of wanted something to look a little bit more like, you know, it's factories, you know, OEM, like it's supposed to be there. So I ordered this fender, this extension fender for the Sur-Ron, and it's perfectly fit and cut for the Sur-Ron. There was these pieces here in the middle, this whole you know, mount piece with some rivets and some plastic. So what I did, I just ended up using the good old Dremel tool right here, and I cut out that centerpiece. I actually cut the rivets first in this plate. You just use like the metal cutting tool, and then I just basically cut out this section. So when you do that, this piece ends up sliding in there perfectly. It's like a perfect fit. It looks OEM, and I got this little automatic center brake light mounted in here. So this just basically slides in here. I drilled 2 holes, one here and one here, and I'm going to push this in further. It's not just for the purposes of the video. I'm just showing what I'm going to do. So I drilled 2 holes, one here, and I'll just put a wire tie here to the one. You put a wire tie through the hole. You wrap it around, put it right through, and crank it right up. You can see right here how I did it, and she's tight. She's perfectly tight, cinched up, not going anywhere. So awesome little option. And this light too, it's pretty cool. I've tested it in videos. Its automatic sensor comes on at dark, automatically comes on when you brake. Sometimes you accelerate too, but if you don't want to worry about running brake lines and such, because mine did not come pre-wired, and I was having a little bit of difficulty with the brake, so I just figured, you know what, let me just do this. The thing lasts forever before you have to charge it, and it's a great option. You could see it like 50 miles away when you're riding. So as you see, there's these little guides that fit perfect on either side, and once I have there mounted up, you take the plastic film off. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look like it's, you know, meant to be there. And it's definitely an option if you have one of these, you know, electro enduro frames. But again, this is gonna push in a little further here. That's not quite done. It's gonna look a little tighter than that. But, you know, just in case you're looking for an option like that, this is the Sur-Ron extended fender. It was like 30 bucks on eBay. They shipped it to me like, it was like 4 days. It wasn't too long. So, you know, give it a shot. Let me know if you have any questions. Peace.